Hello there, welcome back to another video. So as you can see in the dash, this is a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. So as you can see, the ABS and traction and brake light flashing or blinking. When I scan it, I show the right rear ABS wheel speed sensor, G4 for electrical malfunction in circuit. So I'm going to jack up the rear of the car, remove the wheel and check what is going on with that connector. Shape is need a sensor or is a bad wire. So stay tuned for the other part of the video, guys. Okay guys, welcome back. So I jack up the wheel, check up the car, put it in a jack stand for safety, the 3-ton jack. So as you can see right here, this is a 17. Let me show you guys. It's a 17 socket I'm going to use to remove the wheel. Alright. Okay, and there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to check to see what's going on. Okay, alright guys, so I see the problem right here. So these wires come loose, they burst for some reason. I don't know, but as I can see right here, they burst and come loose from the connector. So hopefully the sensor good and just the wire that goes to it is the problem, guys. Alright. Okay, so hopefully I can make some connection right here and get it to work. So you can see right here clearly the black one go right here and the pink go to the bottom right here. I'm going to remove the connector and solder these wires back on it and show you guys what I do. So stay tuned for the other part of the video, guys. Okay.